Hi everyone, in this video clip, I'm going to explain to you how to solve question number 1 and number 2 in this chapter 2 differentiation. Now to solve this question, you have to understand the concept of limit, which I think you should click in the link at the description box to understand why is it we need the limit in this chapter. So without further ado, let's start to solve this. So as x approaches 1, we just substitute 1 into the expression, 1 minus 1, so we get 0. Okay, as x approaches 2, this expression will be very much approaches. So we take 2, substitute into the x, minus 2 over 2. So we have 2 squared, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, we got 1. Okay, as the x approaches 0, we almost got 2 times 0 minus 5 over 0 plus 3. Therefore, the answer is negative 5 over 3. As x approaches a, so the expression x minus a will almost approaches a minus a. That is 0. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Now, in question number 2, you will notice that if I were to do the direct substitution, I will get the value of the denominator equivalent to 0. And in this form, a over 0, the answer is undefined. If you key in your calculator, you will notice that you get the math error message from the calculator. So this one, we cannot do direct substitution, but what we can do is either we factorize first or we do the rationalization. That means we've got to rationalize. So these two methods. So in this, I think factorize will be good enough. So before I substitute the limit in, I got to copy, put down exactly the same, and now we rewrite the expression so that it is in a factorized form. So 2x squared minus 5x both divided by x, I left with just 2x minus 5. And now when everything is ready, we can direct substitute the x value. So we will have the answer negative 5. Okay, and next, as I substitute x equals to 2 directly, I will get a over 0 form. So what we do is we have to factorize it. So as limit our x approaches 2, the limit of this expression will be, let's factorize. So x squared minus 4 is difference between 2 perfect squares. So we take the factor, x and x, 2 and 2, 1 positive, 1 negative, over x minus 2. And this one we can simplify it. And now we can substitute x value into the expression. So 2 plus 2, we have 4. And part C, as x approaches 5, we get 0 in the denominator. So we can't do that. What we can do is we got to factorize first. So we haven't substituted x value. So this symbol must be written x, and then we've got to factorize x squared plus 4x minus 45. Now it will be such a way that one of the factor definitely is the same as the denominator. So x minus 5, and we have x plus 9. So double check. The inner pair negative 5x, outer pair positive 9x. So we got positive 4x. And x minus 5 can be simplified. And now we substitute x equals to 5 into the expression. Okay, so the limit of x plus 9 as x approaches 5 will be 5 plus 9 equals to 14. Now, this one, as x approaches 1, if we substitute into the log base 10x, we will get 0. So we got to do the factorization. All right, and we apply the law of logarithm. So 2 log base 10 of x over log base 10 of x, and then you simplify. So the answer is 2. There is no x for us to substitute. So that's it. The answer is 2. So that's the question for as that is the answer for question number 1 and number 2.